In this instructional video, students will learn important vocabulary related to geometry as well as a visual representation of the vocabulary. There are a few terms that students will need to be able to identify in geometry in order to be successful. A point is just considered a location. You will see points when we identify angles and different types of geometric figures. A line is a straight figure that continues infinitely, as indicated by the arrows on either side of the line. A line segment has a definite endpoint, as indicated by the points at the end of the line. A ray is a line where one side has a definite endpoint, but the other extends infinitely, as indicated by the arrow at one end and the point at the other. Parallel lines are lines that will continue to extend and never intersect or cross each other. Perpendicular lines are lines that create a right angle or 90-degree angle when they cross or intersect. Let's take a look at angles so we can better understand perpendicular lines. When we are looking at shapes, we want to be able to identify the type of angles in the shape. An angle is where two lines intersect or cross at a point, which is called the vertex. Angles can be classified in 4 different ways. Right angles are when two lines meet to form a perfect square. The square is measured as 90 degrees. We know that an angle is a right angle because there's a square in the corner of the angle. In order to classify angles, we want to be able to identify if an angle is greater than or less than a right angle. An acute angle is an angle that is less than 90 degrees. An angle that measures between 1 degree and 89 degrees is considered an acute angle. An obtuse angle is an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. Any angle that measures between 91 and 179 degrees is considered an obtuse angle. And a straight angle, also known as a line, measures 180 degrees. The arrows are all pointing to the vertex of the angles where the angles come together at a point.